Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 3, One and Many from the book Grammar 1. Now, a noun can tell us about one person, animal, place or thing. तो जो नाउन होता है वो हमें वन पर्सन के बारे में, वन एनिमल के बारे में, वन थिंग के बारे में, इन सब चीजों के बारे में बताता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव here one football, then we have one boy, here we have one cup, then one apple, then we have B. A noun also tells us about more than one person, animal, place or thing. तो जो नाउन होता है हमें वो मोर देन वन एनिमल, पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग इन सब के बारे में भी बताता है. वन मतलब एक एंड मैनी मतलब एक से ज्यादा मीन्स अनेक. दो भी हो सकते हैं, तीन भी, चार भी, बट वी काउंट इट एज मैनी if it is more than one. Okay, then for examples we have 2 footballs, 3 boys, 3 cups, then 10 apples. Then C, formation of nouns from one and many. तो नाउन की फॉर्मेशन कैसे होती है, वन के लिए कैसी फॉर्मेशन होती है और मैनी के लिए कैसी फॉर्मेशन होती है. We add s to most nouns to change them from one to many. अगर हमें वन से मैनी में चेंज करना है नाउन को, सो वी जस्ट एड s. Most of the nouns we'll just add s in the end. Okay. For example, we have one pen. Now we have 3 pens. We just add s to the pen. Then here we have one bat. Then again we have 2 bats. We have just added s to the bat. Okay. Then we have one book. Here we have 5 books. Then we have one kite. Here we have 3 kites. Again, we have just added s to the kite to make it plural or many. Okay. Then we have one star. Then 5 stars. We have tips to remember. Most naming words can be made plural by adding s or es. ज्यादातर नेमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं उनको प्लूरल फॉर्म करने के लिए हम उसमें अगर s या es जोड़े तो वो प्लूरल बन जाते हैं. ओके. Then we have D. Look at the pictures. Change these naming words from one to many. So we have to change these naming words from one to many. Okay. Now we have the first one ball. Now we have written already many. What we'll write? Balls. Then the second one, we have one car. Then we have many dash. So we'll write many cars. Then the third one is one pear. Then here we have many dash. The answer is pears. We'll just add s to that word. Then fourth one we have one toy. Here we'll write many dash. The answer is toys. Then we have fifth one key. Here we have many dash. The answer is keys. We just need to add s in the end of that word to make it many or plural. Then we have E part. Tick the correct word by looking at the picture. So we have to tick on the correct word by looking at given pictures. First, we have a boy here. So what we'll tick on? Boy or boys? The correct answer is boy, because there is only one person, right? Then we have the second one. The girl have balloons. We have two options, balloon, balloons. The girl has many balloons, right? More than one. So we'll tick on balloons. Then third one, in this picture you can see we have many bats. We have two options, bat, bats. So we'll tick on bats. Then the fourth one, we have parrot, parrots. In this picture, you can see we have only one parrot. So we'll tick on parrot. Then we have F. Fill in the blanks correctly using the words given in the brackets. One has been done for you. So we have to fill the blanks with the help of the words given in brackets. So the first one we have already given. I bought a dash. We have already written pen. My friend bought 3 pens. So, a means 1. So, we have written pen here. And here we have 3. 3 means many. So, we are talking about plural thing. So, we'll just add S to the word. So, here we have pens. Okay. Now, second, Ronnie has 1 dash, Bunty has 5 dash. We have options kite / kites. So, if we talk about, we have the word 1. So, we'll use kite. Then, here we have 5. Means we are talking about many things. So, we are talking about plural word. So, we'll write kites. Then we have the third one. This table has 1 dash. That table has 4 dash. We have options plate / plates. So, there is a word 1. So, here we'll write plate. Because we are talking about only single thing, one thing. Then here we have word 4. It means we are talking about many things. Right. So we'll write plates. Then we have fourth one. Rahul has 1 dash. Soumya has 2 dash. Pencil / pencils. So first we have the word 1. So 1 means we are talking about a single thing. So we'll write pencil. Then here we have word 2. It means we are talking about 2 things, means many things. So we'll write pencils. Now we have the fifth one. Mamta has 1 dash. Kavya has 3 dash. Pup / pups. It has given one word. It means we are talking about a single thing. So we'll write pup. Then here we have 3. It means we are talking about many things. So we'll write pups. Then we have the G. Change these naming words from 1 to many. 1 has been done for you. So we have to change these words from 1 to many and 1 is already given. First, 1 box. We have then many boxes. They have added es to this word. Okay. Now, second one, 1 watch, then many dash. So we'll write many watches. We'll add es to the word watch to make it plural. Then we have the third one, 1 bus. Then we have many dash. We have to write buses. So we need to add es in the end to the word bus. Then we have the fourth one, 1 mango. Then we have many dash. So we need to add es to the word mango, which makes it mangoes. Then we have the H. We add es to most nouns to change them from one to many. तो हम काफी सारे nouns में es add करते हैं ताकि वो one से many में change हो जाए. For example, we have one tomato. Here we have 3 tomatoes. You can see we have added es to the word tomato. Then here we have 1 potato and then we have 4 potatoes. Again we have added es to the word potato. Now we have 1 glass. Here we have 5 glasses. We have added es to the word glass. Then we have 1 brush and here we have 5 brushes. Again we have added es to the word brush. Then we have the I part. Fill in the blanks by using the words given in the brackets after adding es to them. So we have to fill the blanks. We have some words given in the bracket. We have to add them with es and we have to write it here. First, there are many dash in my class. We have option bench. So we need to write bench. Then we'll add es to it, which makes it benches. Means this is a plural word. Then we have second, there are many dash in the bus stop. We have the option bus. So first we'll write the bus. Then we'll add es, which makes it buses. Then we have third one. We saw many dash in the forest. We have option box. So first we'll write box. Then we'll add es, which makes it boxes. Fourth one. The boy ate many dash. We have option sandwich. So we'll write sandwich. Then we'll add es to it, which makes it sandwiches. Then we have the fifth one. This shop has many dash. We have the option watch. So we'll write watch. Then es, which makes it watches. Then J, find out the plural form of these words in the crossword puzzle. Circle them. So we have to find of these things plural word in the crossword. Okay. So first we have the book. So the plural of book is books. So this is the books. We'll mark it. Then we have the bun. The plural of bun is buns. Here we have buns. So we just mark it. Then we have a pen. The plural of pen is pens. Here we have pens. I'll mark it. Then we have doll. The plural of doll is dolls. Here we have dolls. We'll mark it. Then we have star. The plural of star is stars. Here we have stars. Then we have a potato. The plural of potato is potatoes. So here is potatoes. We'll mark it. Then we have tree. The plural of tree is trees. So here is trees. We'll mark it. Then we have tomato. The plural of tomato is tomatoes. Here we have tomatoes. Then we have bat. The plural of bat is bats. Here we have bats. We'll mark it. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.